Lucid Air. The Lucid Air is a luxury electric sedan that offers a range of up to 520 miles on a single charge. It combines sleek design, high-end features, and advanced technology like Level 3 autonomous driving. Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Mustang Mach-E is an electric SUV that blends performance with utility. It offers impressive acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, and a range of up to 305 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for families looking for an eco-friendly option. With models like the Tesla Model 3, Nissan Leaf, Chevrolet Bolt, Lucid Air, and Ford Mustang Mach-E, electric vehicles are becoming accessible to a wide range of drivers. Battery technology. The performance of electric cars is primarily determined by their battery technology. Here are the key factors that make electric vehicle batteries unique. Lithium-ion batteries. Most electric vehicles use lithium-ion batteries, which offer high energy density, long lifespan, and fast charging times. These batteries are currently the standard for EVs, providing the best balance of range and efficiency. Range. The range of an electric car, the distance it can travel on a single charge, is one of the most important factors for consumers. Today, many electric cars offer ranges of over 250 miles, with some, like the Lucid Air, offering over 500 miles per charge. Charging time. While traditional gasoline cars take just minutes to refuel, electric cars require charging. However, advancements in fast-charging technology are reducing the amount of time needed to recharge. Some chargers can provide up to 80% charge in 30 minutes or less, and supercharging stations allow drivers to recharge their vehicles quickly on long trips.